Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we break down important books and ideas for you. Today, we're diving into How to Lie with Statistics by Darrell Huff. This book is a fascinating look at how statistics can be used to mislead and deceive. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about statistics, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about biased samples. Huff explains how choosing a sample that isn't representative of the whole population can distort results. For example, if you survey only a specific group of people, like customers at a high-end store, you won't get an accurate picture of the general population's opinions or behaviors. Next, we have the well-chosen average. There are different types of averages: mean, median, and mode. Depending on which one you use, you can present very different pictures of the same data. For instance, a few very high incomes can raise the mean income, making it seem like everyone is wealthier than they really are. Then, there are the little figures that are not there. This refers to the practice of leaving out important data that doesn't support your argument. For example, if a company claims their product is preferred by 90% of users, they might not mention that the survey was conducted with only 10 people. Another trick is making much ado about practically nothing. This involves making a big deal out of a small or insignificant change. For example, showing a graph with a zoomed-in axis can make a tiny increase look like a huge spike. The gee whiz graph is a common tactic. By manipulating the scales of a graph, you can make differences look more dramatic than they really are. For instance, starting the y-axis at a number higher than 0 can exaggerate the visual impact of the data. Next up is the one-dimensional picture. This involves using misleading visuals, like pictograms that don't scale proportionally. A small increase in data can look massive if the images used are not scaled correctly. The semi-attached figure is when a statistic is used to prove something unrelated. For example, saying that a new drug has a 50% higher success rate sounds impressive, but if the original success rate was only 2%, the increase is not as significant as it seems. Post hoc rides again deals with confusing correlation and causation. Just because two things happen together doesn't mean one caused the other. For instance, ice cream sales and drowning incidents both increase in the summer, but eating ice cream doesn't cause drowning. Finally, Huff teaches us how to talk back to a statistic. This means being skeptical and asking critical questions. Where did the data come from? Is the sample representative? What's the context of the figures? By questioning the data, we can better understand and challenge misleading statistics. So, there you have it, the key concepts from How to Lie with Statistics by Darrell Huff. Understanding these tricks helps us see through the numbers and make better informed decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this summary helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and educational content. Let us know in the comments which book you'd like us to summarize next. Remember, always question the data. See you in the next video.